Lisa.
Hey,
I'm Simon from Cleggs. I brought you a brand new Astra.
What?
There you go. How's that?
She's going to fall over.
I'll fall over.
This is a joke. This is
Come and have a
Beadle,
look.
isn't it? Beadle's back from the dead, isn't it?
No, come and have a look. So it's an SRI 1.4 with a VXR sports pack on it and upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels.
This is a joke. This is Beadle.
No, it's not.
He's back from the dead.
Press the button, that'll be sorry.
You got red cars to match?
I'm shaking.
Come have a look. There you go.
Oh my god.
It's got Bluetooth with it.
Yeah.
Cruise control, got everything.
Wow, I'm a bit speechless.
Don't be silly, you can't be speechless, surely.
Oh my god.
What do you think of that?
Oh my god.
Isn't it nice? See, look how shiny.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that.
So it's what's that one's?
So I'm taking
You
that
take
one.
that one?
I'll take that
Okay,
one.
it's all arranged. All you've got to do is sit
Oh,
in it.
yeah.
Hang on. The pen has dropped now. That's why you wanted me to get it cleaned.
It was a big penny, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You've got to press the clutch to the floor on the new ones to start them. It won't start unless you've got the clutch pressed right to the floor. Bring it up to the floor. It's not on the screen. If you don't do it, it'll say put your foot. Don't see. All these. Well,
Yeah.
rev down to this side, speed over this side. Look at her face.
She won't be able to take any of this in.
Well, you just got the
Maybe no,
indicators exactly the same.
to do so.
It's all the same.
Yeah.
Lights,
So she won't be able to take any of it in.
Radio's on there. You can use on your steering, which is the same on your Aston there. If you roll down the heating in the centre. And speed. You gobsmacked, didn't you?
Yeah.
When you chill, come and see me and I'll show you everything.
Oh my god.
Want to sit in?
Okay.
Headlight switches on this one the same as your other one. The only thing you haven't got is auto headlights.
Yeah.
So you need to do side lights,
Okay.
headlights, okay. On there, and that's front fogs and rear fogs.
Okay.
Right. But otherwise, it all works the same as your Aston. Electric windows on the front now.
Okay.
Electric adjustable mirrors on there, just side to side.
Yeah.
Do you really?
There's the parking sensors, Russell.
Okay.
Parking sensors on the back. So beeps when you put it in reverse.
Yeah.
When you get close to something, the bleep will go constant.
Yeah.
You know, where the foot is.
Okay.
Got an alarm on.
Yeah.
The dog.
Yeah.
The dog.
Yeah.
Press that on there. It tells you on there the motion sensors are on. You lock the car, dog can stop the car, you won't stop the light.
Okay.
Next time you unlock the car,
Yeah.
it turns the sensors back on. So you, every time you want to turn them off, you have to press the button. But over the car, it always puts them on.
Okay.
Shell shocked in here, you know. She'll be back up on Monday. How did that work?
Yeah, I said she won't be able to take any of this in.
I don't blame you. What a shock. It's a lot, isn't it? Your dad was going to swap it for his.
Yeah. Thanks for that, Simon.
That's all right. All I need, if I take the logbook for the other one, and then
Yeah,
I'll just get Lisa, just sign the one bit for me, Lisa, on that, and then we'll sort that. Then if you need anything, just pop up and see me, and I can run through it with you then. I think once it's sunk in, you'll be
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
up and away.
Oh my god.
Speechless.